Hi guys, this is going to be a chainsaw video. I learned from John from Farmcraft how to file the chain of a chainsaw. I also learned how to clean everything and that there is a channel for the oil that always has to be clean. So I sharpened the chain, and now we will see if it is working any better.
So, filing by hand with this tool is very precise, and when you do it with the necessary attention, and always following the degrees that are marked on the tool, then it can't go wrong. The teeth of the chain were very dirty from getting too hot, so they needed some cleaning, and some love before filing to the sharpness needed to begin sawing again. So now it is time to turn the saw the other way around to do the teeth of the other side. As you can see, it is a long blade, and thus it takes some time to do them all very meticulous.
As you can see, it already goes a lot better. So after filing the chain of the chainsaw, I was able to do the rest of that tree here, and it went, I would say, not like butter, but fairly easy. And I even did some more over here. with the same chain, and that went easy too. See?
And I already did some wood chopping, but that's another video. Here's a freshly painted vacuum actuator for my son's Corvette. That's another video too. This is a very handy tool too. You will see what it is and where it is used for in another video also.
Well guys, this is again a wrap for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, say in the comments why and what I can do to make it better. As you can see, there are a lot of interesting videos going to come. There is first of all a rover video that is going to come about the rover L322. Then there are some videos about the Corvette of my son, and wood chopping, of course, because it is that time of the year. So there are a lot of videos coming your way, so stay tuned for them. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.